Hello student, today we are going to see the numerical which is for class 11. It's very important and interesting numerical. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe. First we will see what's going to happen, what is the data is given. Here bullet is there, one block is there, okay. When we fire the bullet with is a 70 meter per second, the bullet velocity, which is going to be inside to the block, then it's going to rise at the height of H height, then finally it's going to become as a rest. Both block and bullet is going to become as a rest when it's going at the H height, okay. The initial velocity of the bullet is 70 meter per second. The mass of the bullet is 0.012 kg. And the mass of the block is going to be 0.4 kg. Now the question is, what is the velocity, initial velocity, it's a block and a bullet together, and how much height is going to rise and how much changing heat energy is going to produce. It's actually very easy problem if you understand, okay. So when the bullet is colliding with the block, I am using as a momentum is getting conserved. When the momentum is conserved, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Okay, it is called before collision is equal to after collision. It's a momentum is getting conserved. Okay, after collision both the mass is going to become as together m1 plus m2, both is going to attain the capital V velocity. Capital V velocity I am taken together velocity, small v velocity I am taken as the velocity of the bullet. Okay, so initially block velocity will be 0, so black capital mass into 0 times plus capital mass I am taken as a block mass, small mass I am taken as a bullet mass. Okay, bullet have initially it's going to be 0.012 and its velocity is going to be 70. 0 into something will be 0 only. Now we are calculating what is a V. So this you can bring as a denominator. V is equal to 0.012 into 70 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 is going to be bullet mass, is going to be 0.012 and m2 is going to be block mass 0.4. Okay, you should multiply this two, then you should add this two, then you have to divide this two value. Then finally I'll get 2.039 meter per second. This is the velocity of the bullet and block together is going to move. This answer will be 2.039 meter per second. Now I got what is the velocity. Okay, then now how much height is going to rise? The next question, how much height is going to rise? That's the another question. It's a question mark. Okay, we know already conservation of energy. So when it is the point of at this point, kinetic energy will be maximum of mv square, potential energy will be 0. When at this point kinetic energy is going to be 0, it's a normal simple pendulum only, but potential energy is equal to mgh. Here mass is representing together both bullet and it is block mass. Okay, so here total energy this much, here total energy this much, energy will be conserved. Okay, so this energy is equal. So I am taken energy at the point of A and energy at the point of B. 2 point I am taken. First we will see A point of mv square plus 0 is equal to 0 plus mgh. Okay, so height only we are going to find, but we know the what is the velocity, capital V both together, what is the capital velocity we know already. Okay, but total mass, it is a total mass, it's not a separate mass. Okay, bullet and block together, so of small m plus capital M. Okay, it is total mass representation into V square, capital V square is equal to small m plus capital M into GH. This get cancelled because both is representing as a mass. We want height. Height is equal to G, you can bring as a denominator V square divided by 2G. Already we know what is the V value, its G value is 9.8, which is otherwise you can take it 10 also. V value is going to be 2.039 square. This the value you can write as 2 times, then you can do the cancellation. The height of the object is going to write 0.212 meter. So the height totally is going to rise from the ground, it's going to be 0.212 meter. So height also we calculated. Now how much changing energy is going to happen? The changing energy it's going to be the what is the energy difference. Okay, so changing energy, kinetic energy. So kinetic energy initial minus kinetic energy final. Kinetic energy initially I am taken bullet, it's going to be the half mv square of mv square. I am taken bullet alone, it is going to be given initial energy. Okay, finally bullet and block is going to become as it's going to be start as like a v square. So it's going to be of m plus capital V and v square, small m plus capital M into capital V square, it is small v square. I hope you understand the difference. Okay, it is the initial velocity of the bullet and it is after collision what is the velocity is going to be moving with the block and bullet together. Okay, this changes only is energy loss. It's going to be off, it is a bullet mass 0.012 into velocity of the bullet 70 whole square, 70 meter per second, minus 1 divided by 2, small m is going to be bullet mass 0.012, capital M is a block mass 0.4, plus this velocity, total velocity we found 2.039 whole square. Okay, this whole calculation we are going to get that what is a changing energy is going to be 28.54. The unit of energy we are taken as a joule. This much is going to be produced in the form of heat. Okay, so during this process. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.